Okay, in this next example, it says solve and check. So let's call up our paper like before. Okay, so if we're doing A, I'm going to rewrite. We have 0.04x plus 0.06 times 20 minus x equals 0.05 times 50. Okay. So again, we were charged with the task of getting rid of our fractions or decimals first. In this case, we want to get rid of our decimals. So notice that the farthest decimal place is the hundredths position. So that means we want to multiply the left and right side of the equal sign by 100. Now this takes a little bit of practice doing as well. Also with that last example, if you feel uneasy about how to find the LCD, do a YouTube search for finding the LCD, and there's a ton of information, and I think they have some pretty useful techniques. So just do a YouTube search for finding the LCD. So if we multiply the left by 100 and the right by 100, so we have to distribute. So we have to do 100 there and 100 there. And then this is like, so that first day we talked about commutative property of multiplication. There's also associative property of multiplication, because on the right, all three of those are multiplication. We can move them around. Okay. We can change the grouping and the order. In this context, it'll be fine. So now when we do this operation, so when we say 100 times 0.04, what happens? The decimal moves 2 times to the right, right? So then it turns that 0.04 into 4x plus, it's going to be a 6, and then this stays as 20 minus x. And then the right changes to 5, the 0.05 into a 5. So then that's 5 times 50. Okay. So now on the left, this should be familiar. Distribute the 6. Okay. So then we'll have 4x. 6 times 2 is 12, so that's 120 minus 6x. 5 times 5 is 25, tack on a 0. Okay. Now on the left, we want to combine like terms. So 4x plus a negative 6x is a negative 2x. It's going to be a negative 2x plus 120. Notice I'm lining up my equal signs and I bring it down each time, and then on the right we still have 250. So next we want to isolate our variable, so we will subtract the 120. And this gives us negative 2x equals, what was that, 3? 130? Is that right? And so then when you divide by negative 2, we indeed get negative 65. And again, you just want to check in the original.